Hello, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the one variable statistic calculator from LibreText to calculate the common summary statistics from a set of quantitative data. So what are some of the common one variable statistics? So this would involve the 5-number summary, namely, what are the 5-number summary? The minimum, Q1, median, Q3, and maximum. And of course, the common summary are mean, median, standard deviation, and variance. So usually we would need them. Okay, so to use this calculator, your data needs to be in a list separated by commas. So for example, here, if I have these data, I copy them. Oopsie, copy. And then I can find those summary statistics. Oops, where is it? Over here. Okay, so I would be able to find the summary statistics, all these information from this one variable statistic calculator. I have a link here, so you also on Canvas. So in case you can't get to Canvas and you just want to use it, so what you can do is, if you Google Oh no. One variable statistic calculator LibreText. LibreText. So this is the platform that holds this calculator. I would be able to search it, and here that is it. This is it. One variable statistic calculator. So then you copy your data that is in a list, right? So just get rid of the last comma, and then you don't have to click anything. If this is sample data, it would produce sample standard deviation. Um, if it's population, you need to click the population standard deviation. Otherwise, by default, it would know that these are sample data and you just click calculate. It would give you the mean and the next 5 numbers or the 5-number summary, minimum, Q1, median, Q3, and maximum. It even calculate IQR for you, so you don't have to do Q3 minus Q1. It also gives you a standard deviation, gives you the sample variance and sample size. Now, the only thing it doesn't give you is, for our study, is mid-range. So you can manually calculate mid-range by minimum plus maximum divided by 2. And another one that they typically do not give is range. Range is maximum, like for instance, the range of the data, right, is maximum minus minimum. So this particular calculator would need you to do some a calculation if you want to do mid-range and range. And like what I said before, if your data is a population, so you actually have all your data and you want to calculate population standard deviation, what you do is you click here, you do calculate the standard deviation variance will change because population standard deviation and sample standard deviation has different value, right? So click this and then recalculate. It will change it to a population standard deviation. So that's how you use a one variable statistic calculator. Now, in case your data are in a column, like say for example, I want to calculate some mean and median, or something that I want to calculate IQR or 5-number statistics from this score data, but they are in a column. So what should I do? So what you do is you go back to this one variable statistic calculator. You can manually clear all this. Okay, go back to sample, or actually what we can do is just reload it. So we clear everything. And then I copy my data in a column in here. So you can see that there's no comma. So what you can do is just manually add the comma in between the blank, the space, and that would do it. So even if you have a column of data, it's not a big deal. And then you calculate there, you have the minimum, maximum, Q1, all those calculated. Okay, so that's how you use this one variable statistic calculator. It's pretty quick. Particularly useful if your data is already in a list.